Hey everyone, I am Trikam Devasi. Today I am solving LeetCode problem number 709 to lowercase. Want to convert an entire string to lowercase in just a few lines of C++? Let's solve LeetCode 709 using the built-in to lower function. We are given a string. Our task is simple. Convert every uppercase English letter into its lowercase equivalent and return the modified string. Instead of checking every letter manually, C++ already provides a built-in function called toLower. We will simply visit every character in the string and apply this function. Let's look at the code. First, we iterate through every character in the string using the for loop. Notice the ampersand. It means we are modifying the original characters directly instead of making copies. Now, inside the loop, C is equal to toLower. The toLower function converts uppercase letters like ABC to small abc. If the character is already lowercase, a digit or a symbol, it remains unchanged. After processing every character, we simply return the modified string, return as. That's the entire solution. Let's test it. Hello. Small h becomes small h. E stays E, L stays L, and O stays O. Final answer hello. Another example is lovely. Every uppercase letter becomes lowercase. Output lovely. We scan the string only once, so the time complexity is O of n. We modify the string in place, so the space complexity is O of 1. And that's it, a clean beginner-friendly solution using C++ built-in to lower function. If the explanation helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LeetCode C++ solutions. I will see you in the next one.